In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sell Canva templates in 25. First, open your web browser and head to canva.com. Sign in to your account so your work saves automatically across devices. Once you're in, click Create. Choose the type of template you plan to sell. Logos are a popular example, but the same process works for social posts, planners, business cards, and more. Picking the correct format at the start ensures the right canvas size and export options. Begin designing. If you already have assets, open the Uploads panel and select Upload Files to bring in your images or brand elements. Drag them onto the canvas and position them where they make sense. Add text by choosing Add a Text Box, then type your placeholder copy. Remember that buyers will customize this, so use clear, editable text rather than flattened graphics. Adjust the font family, size, spacing, and color to create a coherent style. For visual cohesion, click the background and choose a background color from the color picker at the top. Aim for strong contrast so text remains readable. When your main page looks polished, add a new page. The second page serves as your delivery and support page. Write a short thank you note and a brief set of usage instructions, and reserve a line for the template access link. This is the link your customer will click to get their own editable copy. Now generate that link. Click Share, choose Template Link, then Create Template Link. This special link ensures anyone who opens it gets a fresh copy, not your original file. Click Copy. Return to the text on your second page where you want the link to live. Select the text, open the More Options menu, choose Link, paste the template link, and click Done. Close any dialogues by clicking Done again. Test the link if you'd like by pasting it into a new browser tab to confirm it opens as a template. You're ready to package the product, click Share again, then Download. Choose your file type. PDF Standard works well because it preserves formatting and keeps the clickable link on your second page. Select PDF Standard and click Download to save the file to your computer. This PDF will be the file you deliver to customers. They'll open it, click the link, and instantly access the Canva template. Finally, list your template on marketplaces such as Etsy, local platforms, or your own website. Use clear titles, preview images, and a description that explains what's included and how buyers access the template link. Promote consistently, and you're set to start selling.